All right, welcome back. It is the review for May 6th. We're going to go look here at the S&P 500. So, coming into the open here, we said this area right here in this 65 half or so, that would be an area that we would want to see hold for if they were going to go lower. Now, if we zoom out a little bit and we look right here. Remember yesterday, even the day before that, we had a target down here. At a minimum, we said 48. This morning, we said that this would likely be the low of the range down here, would be this 42 half down to 40 quarter. So we'll come talk about that in a minute. But remember, right when we started recording this morning's video, they were just coming off of this level to the tick and ended up coming all the way down here. And we said it might just be for 53 to start out. And where did it come to? It came to 53 quarter. So if you're going a couple of ticks in front of the prices that we're talking about to make sure you're getting filled, then you got filled here. So that's a 10 pointer. It ripped off of there up to 67 and then ended up coming down, and then we had key turns right here. I don't want to refresh this. Actually, I think it'll be fine. Yeah. So, and then it came right back up and tested key turns and to the tick, and then ended up dropping over here. And where did we go? We came down to 40 half, which we said that 40 quarter could end up being the low here, and that the buyers could step in and move things higher. And where did we say they would go? We said first things first, they need to get through 80. So they come up to 79 half, they stall out. Basically, then 79 quarter over here, and then where do they come back to? They come back down here to key turns. They end up holding key turns, and then the last push, we said in the pre-market video, we said 93.75, but in map, as things went along, let me show you as things went along here today. We said in map, where is the right here? So right here, 96 quarter. So you can see that at 1240, and you can see the high of the day was 96.50. And then that was pretty much good for the day. Oh, they did come to 96.75 before the market closed and then reopened. And so there you have that. Now let's talk about what is happening next. There is more room up here, but let's look at what is happening right now. So we got this move up to here. They just probed up above here a little bit. This isn't really enough to kind of like, break out of things yet. What would be better is if they could come back down, at least if they could come back down and test, this would really be sort of a minimum. I mean, it's not even that far, just down here to 85 half, but would be better if they came back and tested down here. And it's not even impossible if we get a deeper pullback, even down into here. Not even that's really not impossible. You can see the market blew through these levels and never came back and tested, and so not impossible that they come back and they test that. But big gap between 79 and 58. So let's just see what happens. Of course, in the morning we'll see how things go, if they do pull back some, and what things are looking like. But at least back down to here, I mean, seems like a pretty safe bet down to 85. And then, even down here, and then potentially even down into here. And if they were to break this by much, then we'd really have to kind of reevaluate things. So we'll go from there. Okay, so that wraps it up for tonight. Just an absolutely beautiful day for what we're looking for and how we want to trade. So really really great day, really great use around the prediction points, really clean. And so we'll be back at it again tomorrow. I'll be here in the morning with a pre-market video, and we'll see you then. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you tomorrow in the morning.